So let's start from the beginning. Remember in your practice to always observe yourself, your mind. This is the first place where people get tripped up. In this mind-identified state, where we are believing ourselves to be the thoughts in our minds, it's a bit of a leap for a beginner to realize themselves as the one that is aware of the thoughts in the mind. And there is this constant thinking about thinking. That's what starts to happen. And you're trying to think yourself into right thinking. That's a disaster. In the same way that you sit and watch a movie is the same way that you sit and watch your mind. Same thing. In the movie, you just know you're not the movie. You know you're the observer, the experiencer of the movie. But in your mind, you think that the thoughts in your mind are so important. But are they? You only suffer what happens in your mind. You only suffer what happens in your mind. Don't believe anything I say. Take that and hear that and look back at your own life and see if that's true for you. Think of the times in your life when you were suffering the most, when you were just in hell, on the bathroom floor, crying, just couldn't figure it out, right? It was all in your head. Can you see that from here? When you begin to realize that your thoughts are not you, when someone even just comes and interjects that observation into your mind, things start to get wobbly. Because we have been in this mind-identified state, this, our entire life, and who we are is an idea in our mind. And now we're saying these ideas don't matter. Your mind is not going to like that. But I really want you to begin to truly realize yourself as the observer, to observe your mind and without judgment of your mind. In other words, just watch the circus and eat popcorn. It's a circus. If your mind is anything like my mind, it's just a three-ring circus going on in there.